On a sunnier note, I am giving away some tickets to 2 upcoming hurricane games. So if you're interested, I think the win line information is going to pop up here in a second. Maybe not. 317-2445 is the number, 403 in front, and I'll take caller number 3 and 4 because I have 2 separate pairs of tickets for 2 separate upcoming games. And now I'll step out of frame and let you check out what the conditions are currently in Lethbridge. 5 degrees is where we're at right now. We did get, our daytime high was 12 degrees, but unfortunately none of us enjoyed it because it was at midnight and we slid down the scale since then. So that was our high, and this right now is currently our low, is 5 degrees. So a little opposite of what you'd normally expect. Winds out of the west-northwest, and that's because it is following the jet stream. On this side of the Continental Divide, we've got very, very cloudy conditions, wet conditions. Most areas have seen pockets of shower activity and periods of heavier rain in some areas. We had a fairly good dousing of rain here earlier today, and we have a chance of seeing some showers tonight, maybe some flurries. So all through this area, that cloud cover has kept any sunshine from making its way down to the surface. Across the Continental Divide, some areas are picking up a little more sunshine the further west you get. Of course, areas just along, you know, in through Elk Valley and whatnot, not seeing a lot of sunshine either. But what we're watching is this pattern, which is directed from the origin is a low-pressure center that's migrating across the prairies. The wraparound effect from that, in combination with this area of high pressure that's dominating BC, it's got nowhere to go. So it's really going from the northwest to the southeast. That's the flow of the rotation. That's going to continue overnight tonight. As we get into later tomorrow, we'll see some sunny breaks in the mix. But right now we are looking at still that pocket of rain shower activity. The darker green pockets are the heavier rain. And then that pink and white combination is rain-snow combination in the higher elevations, and we could see a little drift off of that further to the southeast as we get into the overnight hours as temperatures continue to slide down the scale. The forecaster is already showing pretty much what I've just explained. We've got that pocket of rain shower activity, snow-rain combination in the higher elevations, and as we get into tomorrow, expect to see in the morning hours, most of this is still going to be problematic and some of that rain-snow mixture possibly drifting off, but as we get into the afternoon hours, start to see a bit of a clearing trend here as an area of high pressure does start to build in. But as we get into Wednesday, we've got another low pressure center that's going to want to zip through the area, and here it comes here. So we've got more precipitation, and that's why I was saying to Jackie over the next few days, going to be a bit of a roller coaster ride up and down with temperatures until we start to stabilize on Friday. But you'll see those nice temperatures in the 5-day forecast. One of the hot spots in Canada right now, St. John's. Who knew that it would be the warmest place in Canada? 18 degrees right now there, and then we've got a little bit of sun and cloud mix through most of eastern Canada, but then you get really cloudy out here. 6 degrees in Winnipeg, 7 and 6, and some rain showers in Regina as well. 10 degrees in the capital right now. Nice, and 20 degrees in Kelowna. Sun and cloud mix in Vancouver. Sun and cloud in Whitehorse right now. In Yellowknife, 3 degrees and overcast skies, and they're expecting some snow flurries overnight tonight. East Kootenay, you are looking at an overnight low of 1. Mostly cloudy skies there. 14 degrees for a high tomorrow with a very nice sun and cloud mix. Crow's Nest Pass, -2 degrees tonight. Cloudy with that lingering shower chance overnight tonight. Sunny tomorrow, though. 14 degrees for a high. Medicine Hat, mainly cloudy tonight, 0 for a low, 13 tomorrow, and then some morning showers expected, but you should be seeing some sunshine by the afternoon hours. And Lethbridge here, we have a chance of seeing some flurries tonight, maybe the off and on little shower activity, and then tomorrow we'll have a sun and cloud mix, that chance of morning leftover showers, and in the afternoon we'll see some sunny breaks move through. There's your 5-day forecast. You can see that second system starts to come in as we get into Wednesday. Thursday, we could have a rain-snow combination, but then things really improve. Look at the temperature jump between Thursday and Friday, and the conditions really change. Take a boo at the record temperatures popping up on your screen. Yeah, you know, yesterday we got to 20 degrees. It was really nice out there, and what a difference 24 hours can make. Chilly and wet is what we had today.